All right, Pokemon family, we are back, and today we got a banger. We're gonna see what's better, Steam Siege, which is from 2016 to 2019, or is the new Astral Radiance. We'll see what gets the most bangers. I got two of each, so here we go. You think the Astral Radiance is gonna be better,
it's a new one.
or Steam Siege? Who's Team Astral Radiance?
Me.
Team Siege. All right.
Team.
All right, we're gonna open one at a time, and we're gonna see.
Remember, first pack me.
Let's see what happens right now, guys. Who wins what? Alright.
It could be a trainer gallery.
It could be.
It could be a top one.
2, 3,
It could be
4.
nothing. Or it can be all.
Here we go, guys. Side duck. Drifting. Ooh. Reverse hollow rapidash.
I need that.
Ooh, and a rank.
I like that one.
7 out of 10.
Alright, so we'll put this guy up here with the rank rock. And that was Team Astral Radiance, alright? So they got two good ones, alright? Next.
Hopefully it's a break card. A break card.
Last time I got gave one of these away. He didn't choose it.
Even if you get a green cold card, you can still get a break.
1, 2, and 3. We're gonna start with a Persian, Trainer, Skiploom, Ponyard, Ponyta, Clink, Mantine, Joltik, Reverse Hollow, Dino. Let's go.
10 out of 10. I like that.
Ooh,
I need
and a
that.
Spirit Bomb, Spirit Tom. I don't know, but we did get this one, Reverse Hollow. So I'll put that over here.
Still, it's 0-0.
No, they're pretty even.
Don't want to
All right, next Astral Radiance.
again. And that's gonna be broken. No, technically, this is winning.
You think that's winning?
Yeah, there's 2 stars and 1 circle and 1 star.
Yep, you're right.
Yep. Oh yeah.
And we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fire Energy. Ooh, look at that bear. Cool. Can Steam Siege do it? Or my god!
Oh, wait, what?
Dude, this is like the top. No,
What?
one of the top 5.
What? Let me see.
What?
Oh!
How did you get a trainer gallery?
Yes!
No.
Let's go. Let's go.
And
Let's go.
Overkill.
We're winning.
Alright, guys.
We're winning.
Alright, since
go.
this one is really good, and I forgot to bring the. I'll put it on top of this, alright?
We don't have
Alright.
the sleeve. Oh my
Yeah, it's in the
god.
house.
Are you gonna get that?
Alright, guys.
There's one on the
It's
back.
time for Steam Siege.
There's one.
Yeah, I know.
Oh man.
Are you gonna give that away? No. No. It's top 5. No? It's not top 5.
There you go. For you guys. 1, 2, 3. Gonna start with a Pokemon Ranger. Then we're gonna go with a Rapidash, Ambipom, Marill, Drifloon, Seedot, Fletching, Clowncher. Ooh, another Reverse Hollow Rapidash. Look at that.
Rapidash.
This one is
got 2 of them.
yeah, but this one's 2019 and that's the newest one. Cool, huh? Now we get to see the difference.
Rapidash.
And another Spirit Bomb. But check this out, guys. We got 2022 and a 2019. Look at the difference, guys. Look at the artwork.
This one's better.
The 2019?
Yes.
All right.
We got a good thinking.
All right, guys. Well, this is what we got. And let me decide what I'm going to do with these cards, and I'll be right back. All right, guys. Well, we're back, and we're about to do a scavenger hunt. So here we go. I'm gonna take time right now for some shout outs. And we're gonna start off with Carp Dizzo. Then we're gonna go with Dirt. Then we're gonna go with Brownie. Then we're gonna go with Kevin. Yep. Then we're gonna go with Daniel. Alright guys. Look at that. Just dropping cards everywhere, guys. The grass is pretty low. Gas levels are high. But the grass is low. And yeah, look at that. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe guys. I do these for the kids. So hopefully you guys enjoy. It's the cards that I just pulled out, literally. These awesome cards, guys. Awesome. Look at this. Awesome cards, guys. All right, there you guys have it. It is time. Ready? Line up. Line up. On your marks. Get set. Go. Go. Look for cards. Go for it. All right, guys. There you guys have it. Hopefully you guys like, subscribe again. These kids love running, looking for Pokemon cards. Alright. Yeah, we found the cold cards. Alright guys, there we have it. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and as always, one love.